Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the WatchfulVision 64GB, we'll call it a hidden camera pen. It is a camera pen, really cool things here. We'll unbox it and show you how it works, but it records 4K photos and 2K video. So really high quality, again 64GB should give you a decent amount of recording time or a lot of photos. Again, understand that the higher quality will chew up some data, but it's a pen camera, so let's be realistic. So let's open it up and check it out.
All right, so you do have to cut these open and make sure that the seal is intact before you go and open it up. Obviously, the first thing you're going to find is your V8 Pro Pen user manual. So it's going to walk you through kind of how to turn it on, how to do all the little things, how the little pieces work. So just be sure to check all of that stuff out. And then of course the actual pen components. So we'll have the top, the bottom. Looks like a little stand here. It's a charging adapter and connections so that you can connect. You've got your USB. Looks like USB A and C, as well as your lightning, so connections for all. Now it does look like it comes with a USB-A charger, and then of course there's some ink. So this may not be your primary purpose, but there's that. And then of course finally there is the let's see here, it looks like 64GB is what it's supposed to be. So you'll have your memory card as well. So let's put this stuff all together. All right, so for starters, you'll want to get the top piece out, and that is going to be where your charger is. So we're going to go ahead and get this charged up in the meantime. And then you'll have buttons and everything like that we'll walk through. I always recommend that you definitely read the instructions. They pre-formatted the memory card, but it'll tell you kind of what the operating buttons do, how to turn it on, you keep it pressed for 4 seconds, and all that. So again, get it charged up, but I want to kind of just make sure you do understand you have to absolutely read the directions. Okay, so next we'll have the actual bottom part of the pen, and hopefully you can see it comes preloaded. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove and insert the new ink replacement cartridges. But all you're going to do is screw the top here, turn it left and right to bring the pen out. So it's just as simple as that. And of course, like I said, you'll be able to kind of just stick this thing in when you're not using it, right in here, so you have that. All right, so the next thing that we're going to look at is the actual device here for storage. So again, we have multiple ways to do this, and I'm just figuring out, I guess, as we go along, how we're going to put the memory card in, because the memory card is going to need to go into this. So let's figure that out real quick. All right, so this one gets a little tricky, so just be careful when you do this. So the USB side here, you'll notice there's a little bit, hopefully at the tip there, where you can enter in on the top. So just be aware, again, it's the side that doesn't have the 2 little holes, where you can literally just slide this in, and it gets in nice and tight. Now just be aware to leave a little bit of space. You'll see a little cutout indentation here, so that you can kind of get your nail in. It's not super easy, but you can eventually get your nail in and pull that out. So that's going to be how to kind of take this memory card and upload it to your phone or to your computer. Now I do highly recommend that once you have any video captured or pictures captured, that you don't play it from the actual pen, but you upload it to your computer and then try and watch it. So that's kind of just that portion of it. So we're almost charged up, so I'm going to go ahead and take a couple pictures with this thing and video and share that with you so you can see how it works. All right, so you'll see again inside here, that's where you're gonna be putting your memory card. Just make sure you do it correctly. Should enter in when done properly, sorry. So you'll want to, again, be very careful here. So you'll have the USB portion, sorry I'm not doing this great on the camera, on the bottom. And so the this part will face the USB portion. So this, the lettering facing on the top, and you'll just slide that in. And should be in nicely there. And then you'll simply screw it on from there. All right, so now you're going to want to just press this button and hold it down for 4 seconds. And you should at that point get a blue light on the back, and then it should go into standby mode. And so once you've done that, you're going to want to be able to take pictures. So let's walk you through that. All right, once you're all set up, basically all you're going to do is press this once to take a picture, and then I'm just showing the light, and then twice for filming. And hopefully at this point you're seeing this thing record, and we're going to just let it run for a second so you can kind of, I'm just going to spin it around so you can kind of see exactly what it's recording, and I'll play that back as part of this this video. And then to stop, should be able to just press that, and then the blue light should go back on. So let's just see if it works. And hopefully at this point you're seeing this thing record, and we're going to just let it run for a second so you can kind of, I'm just going to spin it around so you can kind of see exactly what it's recording, and I'll play that back as part of this this video. Then stop. Alright, so I'm taking another video here just to give you an idea of the quality. Hopefully you can get an idea on the sound as well. So again, not 100% in love with the quality of the video or the image, but it's meant to be a hidden pen camera, so it's not going to be amazing. But I just was hoping for a little bit better when I saw the 4K and the 2K for better quality. However, I do think it's a great little pen cam. It doesn't make it obvious that there's a camera here, so I think it's a really nice feature there. All right, so just wrapping this video up, first of all, again, I kind of commented that you can't really tell where the camera is, so it's kind of hard to see, but it is right there in general. So it's pretty well hidden. Also be aware that the quality, like I said, was not amazing. This light is kind of your indicator light. When you first do this, you may need to actually format the memory card, so just be aware of that. But overall, it's pretty good quality. Everything's kind of neat. So hopefully this review helps you with your buying decision, and thanks for watching.